Isn't it astonishing? Isn't it unbelievable? Isn't it unthinkable? And isn't it miraculous that a man has been surviving without food and water, and that too not just for a few days or few months, but for years together, for 73 long years? Medically, scientifically, logically, an impossible phenomenon, yet it has been made possible by a 84-year-old survivor, Prahlad Jani. People, mostly his disciples, often call him Chunriwala Mataji as he chooses to wear a red sari like garment with earring and nose rings and crimson flowers in his shoulder-length hair. Jani was born on 13th August 1929 in Charda village of Mehsana district in Gujarat. He left his house permanently at the age of 7 to seek spiritual knowledge and went to live in jungle. After seeking spirituality for 5 long years in the jungle, he underwent a spiritual experience at the age of 12 and became a follower of goddess Amba. Since then, he chose to dress as a female devotee of Amba. From that day onwards, he never had to have food and water to sustain life. He says the goddess provides him a liquid sustenance which drops down through a hole in his palate that allows him to live without food or water. Since 1970, Jani has lived as a hermit in a cave in the rainforest in Gujarat, waking up at 4 a.m. every day and spending most of his time meditating. Two observational studies of Jani have been conducted, one in 2003 for 10 days and the other in 2010 for 15 days, involving a team of doctors headed by Dr. Sudhesh Shah, a neurologist at Sterling Hospital in Ahmedabad. On both occasions, the investigators confirmed Jani's exceptional ability of surviving healthy without food and water during the testing period. Critics say Jani was allowed to take sunbath, gargling, and bathing and was not fully observed under CCTV. Let's see what medical science has to say on this. Dr. Michael Van Rooyen, director of the Harvard Humanitarian Initiative, dismissed the observation results as impossible. According to him, in such a condition, people quickly consume their own body resources, resulting in renal failure, tachycardia, and heart strain, ultimately leading to death. The American Dietetic Association revises the observation by saying the bottom line is that even fasting for more than a day is dangerous. You need food to function. Nutrition researchers Peter Clifton also disagreed with study results, accusing the research team of cheating by allowing Jani to gargle and bath. He claims that a human of average weight dies within 15 to 20 days without water. The Indian Rationalist Association observed that individuals making similar claims in the past have been exposed as frauds. Here are some more examples. Let's go through it. A Swedish man, Peter Skillberg, was found in a car buried under snow. Says he survived for 2 months without food by eating handful of snow. Japanese hiker Mitsutak Uchikoshi survived for 24 days in 2006 without food and water after he went missing during a climbing trip in western Japan. He was found with a body temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, nearly 15 degrees below the normal. After being treated for severe hypothermia and other health complications, Uchikoshi had a miraculous recovery. American illusionist David Blaine spent 44 days in 2003 suspended in a glass box by the River Thames in London without food. In 1943, Mahatma Gandhi sat on a 21 days fast, and survived on sips of water only. The people who believe that food is not required for survival are called breatharians. Another such example is Hira Ratan Manik, who was born in 1937, claims that since 18th June 1995 he denounced food and has lived on water and occasionally takes tea, coffee, and buttermilk. According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, when one becomes master of Ashtanga Yoga, one gets siddhis as byproducts, and with that, one can live without food and water and can sustain one's life by tapping the cosmic energy just like the plants that taps sunlight and prepare their food. Yes, I know there are many questions relating to this remain unanswered, and that drives us to pursue it further. Do this not seem supernatural, mystical, and unbelievable? If you like this video, please press the like button. Please pass your valuable comments in the comment box below and suggest me to come up with more such videos on interesting and mysterious topic. Please subscribe my channel The Paper Wala and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, goodbye.